My buddy Jason built the world's first bespoke pallet, so I bought it. And in this video, I shine a ray of hope into the river table furniture industry by building a world's first artisan river table pallet slide puzzle. Check it out. This is like the worst puzzle ever. 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 Yeah, let's do that. Proud of myself for saving all my scrap pieces of pallet wood for that future project where I might need the material instead of throwing it away. This is probably the first time that's ever paid off. Hey, thank you for watching. This is a pair of giant slide puzzles that hang on the wall, and they were made from the world's first ever bespoke river table pallet that I bought from Jason, my buddy over at Bourbon Moth Woodworking. And Jason has a full build video of this pallet prototype on his channel. I will link that down below so you can watch that next. And also a big shout out to Inventables, the sponsor of this video. I used their X-Carve CNC to cut out the Total Boat epoxy inlay in this puzzle, and also to engrave the tiny numbers on every one of the puzzle pieces. Now the X-Carve is a great machine that adds some amazing capabilities to a small shop like mine to be able to add flares to projects like this. I'll drop a link for their CNC machine down below, along with the Inventables bits that I use to do all the cutting and engraving on this project, and also 𝐈𝐧𝐸, which is their software that I use for both designing and for driving the CNC. Now this big puzzle is actually a surprise for Total Boat. I figured it'd be a cool thing for them to hang up at their new makerspace, Narwhal Labs. And speaking of Total Boat, don't forget the code Jackman15. That'll get you 15% off anything in their store, including the epoxy and the finishes that I used on this project. And for some real talk, when I saw Jason built this pallet, I knew immediately that I had to have it. Why? Because I take his animosity towards pallets as a personal attack. So I bought it to prove to him that a pallet doesn't just have to be a coffee table or a gross looking pallet slat wall. It can actually be something special. And not all hipsters look like 12-year-old vegetarians. Sometimes they look like a 29-year-old vegetarian, Jason. Sorry, I think the lesson that we really learned here is don't let your anger inhibit you. Use it for good. Use it for motivation. And if there's anything that we need to take from this today, it's that spite drives the world. Whew, that was a little heavy.
This is the first time in my professional career that I was actually excited about a pallet. I started imagining where this pallet might go, where it might end up. Would it have some hairpin legs attached to it and be set in a feminist bookstore? Maybe it'd become a bistro table in a vegan bakery. Maybe somebody like Paul Jackman would rip it apart and create something beautiful. I had no clue where this was going to end up, but I did know that for the first time, the world would have an option for a high-end quality pallet.